Cataract Falls Covered Bridge. An 1838 state law gave county commissioners power to build bridges for public convenience and to raise taxes to pay for them. Owen County commissioners contracted 1875 for a Smith high double wood truss over Eel River in Jennings Township to replace the bridge destroyed by flood. This bridge finished in 1876. Served as pedestrian bridge after vehicular traffic was diverted to new concrete bridge, finished in 1988. Indiana Department of Natural Resource began extensive repairs to repair this bridge in 2000. Listed in the National Register of Historical Places in 2005 and rededicated 2006. Only remaining covered bridge in Owen County.
Wow. And that's the bridge. And we're going to do a quick walk into the bridge. So wow, this ran then essentially till 1988. It is now a pedestrian bridge. I'm assuming that this bridge, cement bridge right here, replaced it. Looks like they have some picnic tables in here. Wow, 1888, they still were using this bridge. Or 1887. I'm assuming. If you are in Owens County or know anything about it, let us know in the comments below. That's pretty amazing. Be sure to like and subscribe as well. Wow. A lot of graffiti. So they used to drive cars on this bridge. Look at that view. Don't know if you can see below or not. And a little bit through the cracks. This is better than some of the bridges I've been on. It's actually in pretty good shape. Usually I'm not as big of a fan of these because you can feel it. But this is solid as can be. Swimming is prohibited. They don't have any bridge stuff on the other side. But yeah, they have a lot of nice picnic tables in here. So this is the Owens County Cataract Falls Covered Bridge. Wow, that's a beautiful view. This is the top of the waterfall. That's it. We just got to the other end of the bridge. Swimming is prohibited. It seems like you can get down there. I see a little trail right there. If anyone has any experiences or anything about this bridge that you'd want to share, let us know in the comments below. Gonna read the plaque that they have on the other side here as well. Some bridge statistics built in. 1876, length of wood structure 148 feet. Cost to build abutments $1,878.84. Bridge $2,009 exactly. Material used was limestone and non-native white pine. Biggest timber is 33.5 feet long. Weight of cut stones 4,000 pounds each. Closed to vehicular traffic in 1998. The Cataract Covered Bridge. The Cataract Covered Bridge is one of Owen County's historical treasures. It is the only remaining covered bridge in the county and is only one of 6 truss bridges in the state, and one of the finest remaining examples of this trust. The Smith Trust. The late 1800s represented a time when manufacturing was moving from individually made items to mass production. The Smith Bridge Company introduced a new technique for covered bridge construction to introduce new technologies for covered bridge construction to compete with iron bridges that appeared after the Civil War. Rather than build covered bridges from scratch on site, Ohio native Robert W. Smith built the Smith Trust and Company factory in Toledo, disassembled it, and shipped it out for reassembly. That is a picture of Robert W. Smith, a pioneer in bridge manufacturing. He applied prefabricated techniques to his patented Smith Truss, allowing him to erect hundreds of bridges a year. I wonder if this is the same guy from Dayton, Ohio. Sorry. I'll have to look that up. The covered bridge story. Covered bridges have been built around the world for centuries. With America's rapid expansion and abundant timber supply, covered bridges were built at an unsurpassed rate. Covering a bridge protects the wood trusses from rotting. Without a roof, the bridge might last only 4 years. The first known covered bridge in Indiana was Henry County in 1834. By the 1800s, by the 1880s, Indiana had between 400 and 500 covered bridges. In 1876, the community of Cataract introduced mills and shops. 1876, the community of Cataract, including mills, shops, the bridge linked Cataract with residents on the other side of Mill Creek. Weathering a torrent. In 1875, a flood destroyed the first covered bridge at Cataract and more than a dozen bridges in Owen County. One of the few bridges to survive the flood was a covered bridge in Gosport. The Gosport covered bridge used a Smith Truss bridge. 1 month later, the Owen County let bids for replacement bridge. Their advertisement request a Smith Truss. The current bridge with its Smith Truss was completed in 1876. There's a picture of flooding in a common occurrence in Indiana. It is a natural process. Floods have devastating impacts on bridge buildings and agriculture. And then restoration of Cataract Covered Bridge. An extensive rehabilitation has been conducted to preserve the bridge. Restoration includes rebuilding the wing walls, repairing abutments, replacing and repairing truss timbers, lateral braces, redoing trim, siding, and historical details. Funding for the project came from the Indiana Department of Transportation through federal highway transportation enhancement funds. And that's that right there. Department of Natural Resources put that together. I just wanted to show you guys that. If you could, like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you at the next one.